Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. It's your boy, Daily Dose of Los. Good morning, everybody. Hope y'all are having a great day. It is my Saturday. Welcome back to the channel. I think I might have said that already though. Got something excited for you guys today. I am cold. One, first of all, it is cold out here. Two, I am hopping in the 4Runner. It is cold out here, man. Let's get it going in here. Woo! I have some exciting for us today, man. I'm going on a toy run with some of the local Wichita Toyota crew guys and meet up with some Jeep people and go deliver some toys, man. Times like this, man, you know, gotta pay back, you know what I'm saying? Oh, let me turn that off. That's that new Kid Cudi album, though. If you guys haven't checked it out, check it out, man. I would suggest, I would suggest it's a pretty good album from what I've listened to so far. But nonetheless, super excited about today. Got a toy here. Got a little police Ford Interceptor. About to go hang out with the guys, like I said. Drop that off and then get something to eat, man. It's kind of cold out here. So it's gonna be a nice little vlog today, man. Hope y'all enjoy it. Let's go ahead and get on the road. So with that being said, let's go get this episode started today. 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
What it look like? What it be like? They ain't gotta like it, they just gotta live with it. Got my money working, you know what I did with it. Take it to the field, treat it like a coin toss. Girl, I got it covered, I'm a Louis loincloth. But he ain't really with the gang, that's a fact. Had baby doing something strange for the snap. Ride around the county with her face in my lap. Keep it 101, this ain't the place for the cap. I ain't got the minutes for the who said what. Piling up the digits on a goose egg hunt. About to take a quarter to the ball cap later. Texting Goofy double, I need all that paper. I been making plays, call me head coach Xavier. Eggplant emoji to me, bread loaf baby. Trade a couple dollars for some yen in a flight. iPhone's off, I'm in for the night. 40 on me, widen up me waistline. Talking about some money on me FaceTime. Stack it up and scale it up and flip it all. High stepping, baby, I don't trip at all. Hundreds on me, lighting up me workload. Still been getting to it when the work slow. Count it out and seal it up and ship it all. High stepping, baby, I don't.
Boom, y'all. We ahead made it. Met up with the guys, man. So now we done met up with some of these Wichita Jeeple people. I think that's what they're called. I could be wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know. But I think we're gonna go ahead and head down to the other side of town, man. Cruise a little bit and go drop off these gifts for these kids, man. Like I said, man, do it for the kids, baby. Trick Daddy love the kids. So, anyways, let's go ahead and get to it, man. Let's get a little cruise. Let's kind of see what's out here, man. And man, so many Jeeps, dude. Should I get a Jeep? Should I trade the 4Runner for a Jeep? Man, what y'all think? Put in the comments. Let me know what y'all think.
And I'm hopping in a ship. They know that I can't get it popping off the rip. Business over brunch and it came with mimosas. All about the bread, so I came with a toaster. 40 on me, widen up me waistline. Talking about some money on me FaceTime. Stack it up and scale it up and flip it all. High stepping, baby, I don't trip at all. Hundreds on me, lighting up me workload. Still been getting to it when the work slow. Count it out and seal it up and ship it all. High stepping, baby, I don't trip at all. What it feel like? What it look like? What it be?
Boom, y'all. All right, so we done dropped off these gifts. Now we are gonna head. Then we're gonna go mess around for a little bit. We're gonna go find some trails I think they're aware of here locally. Kind of see what we can get into for a little bit. So stick around. I was gonna pull the drone out, but no flight zone. So I'll see you in a little bit. All right, guys, let's go ahead and let's move out. Boom, we made it home, guys. Y'all's already know. Appreciate y'all sticking around if y'all's made it this far in the video. As y'all see, we had a little bit of fun, no mail. And now, time to get home, and I probably need to wash the truck a little bit. Let me show y'all this mess real quick. Look at this. Boy, is this thing not dirty or what? It could have been worse. I've actually been in worse situations, I think, but nonetheless, let's go ahead and in today's video. Hope y'all's enjoyed it. Good little off-road, little trail running for a little bit locally. Hit a little bit of had the Toys for Tots with the crew and met up with the Jeep people. So y'all's already know, man. So y'all know what to do. Hit that like if you like today's video. Hit that subscribe if you're not already subscribing. If you are, much love, appreciate it. With that being said, follow your path. You know what I mean? So on 3, 2, 1, let's go.